Tyler.
Pork.
First meat in your life.
Oh.
Minced, mushed up pork.
Pureed pork.
And what's the green? Why is it green?
Brussels sprout.
I was going to say maybe it's a bit off.
Dada.
What do you think about that, Ty?
How is it?
It's like a drug. It's just...
Dada. Dada. Ah.
I don't know what I think about meat. I might be a vegetarian.
Looks like he's okay. This way.
What do you think about meat, Tyler? What do you think about half a kilo of meat in one spoonful? How big was that bloody spoonful?
He eats it. Oh, big
Get some pork on your spoon.
That's okay.
Clean me up, Mum.